Do that butt thing again. Do the butt thing. Me.
Happy New Year. Your turn, you do dance now.
Okay. With this?
Yeah.
I don't know what to do. I'm not good.
No, I'll sing another song. Mine's an original. Well, this looks really good quality. Every time I get this feeling, and every time I swear I can fly. Do a love song and dedicate it to your crushes. Okay. Angela. This is how I feel about. They're gonna make fun of me. Everybody knows who I like.
Kelvin? Whoops.
Okay, cut this. You have to slowly come closer.
What? You're not coming closer. I came all the way. You have to meet me halfway.
I am meeting you halfway.
This isn't halfway. You look like a sushi maker.
I am. Sushi.
Sushi for Calvin. Sushi for Calvin any day. Where's that skateboard thing? I don't know.
It's nighttime.
It's not there yet.
It's nighttime.
And now it's morning.
Wait, I'll do interpretive dance like Michelle.
Okay. You're not wearing any socks?
I couldn't. I had no socks on this left.
Ew. Stinky. Don't step on my phone.
Find another lover, sweeter than him, sweeter than him. I got stuck.
Ew. Are your feet sweaty? Yeah, I can hear it.
Huh?
I can hear your feet sweaty.
Oh, yeah. Just a bit.
Ew. What?
Look behind you. You didn't see that. The what? What's that? The what?
This mop thingy.
Oh, right there.
Good luck.
Who are you playing? Oh, good luck.
Bing them over. Just kidding.
Back to my dance.
You remind me of Pocahontas.
Not me.
Hmm? She's native? I thought she was Indian. Go stop it now?
Yes, I hit my